The virus detectors of WSAM-0 TV has issued a crazy penguin warning for the United States, Canada, Great Britain, and Portugal. It has already hit a computer in Florida, and the virus is heading northwest toward Emergency Ranger 88, Game Chauffeur 94, and Thunderbirds 101, before going across the Arctic Ocean to Acrylis Tower and traveling by motorway to Portugal. This virus is known to cause the victim to go insane and say gibberish if something says the word penguin, penguins, or any other form or relating to penguins, while the crazy penguin plays in the background before it forcibly shuts its system down. Take extreme caution while using your computer. Keep away from anything that says penguin and porn advertisements.